Hello everyone, my name's Tiffany and I'm going to be talking about my special event, which is a Bump Set Kill the Cancer Volleyball Tournament. This tournament will take place October 12th through October 15th, 2020 in Cherokee, North Carolina. Our mission statement for this event is to raise awareness for breast cancer and show support to those that have it by digging pink in a volleyball tournament in which athletes exhibit their amazing abilities. Our goals for this tournament are to raise awareness for breast cancer patients, allow for athletes to exhibit their hard work and skills on the volleyball court, and 20% of the proceeds will go to helping patients with breast cancer pay for their treatments. We will be doing this through the Hurwitz Breast Cancer Fund at Frederick Memorial Hospital. The benefits of this tournament, there are benefits for athletes and for cancer awareness. For the athletes, it allows them to participate in more games for practice. They get to have a fun experience with teams, with like their teams, and then playing against other teams. And then the ability to wear all pink. Most girl athletes like pink, and this is a good opportunity for them to wear all pink and not just wear their typical school colors. For cancer awareness, patients with breast cancer get money for treatment, 20% of the proceeds, and sympathy and major support from young athletes, which is very big to older patients with breast cancer and also the younger ones. If they see that athletes and young adults are supporting them and showing sympathy, that means a lot to them. Vendor benefits, opportunity to sponsor logos on products and apparel such as t-shirts that companies can come to this tournament and print out a bunch of logos on their t-shirts or coffee mugs or anything that they want to put their logo on. Opportunity to showcase unheard businesses to a small town. Cherokee, North Carolina is very small considered, compared to other small towns. This one's pretty small. And then social media clout, presenting their products and this event on social media. And social media sites on Instagram, BC Tourney 2020. On Facebook, Cherokee County BC Tournament. On Twitter, BC Tourney 2020. And on Snapchat, bc.tourney.2020.